Hello, in this video I'd like to show you the Ellipal Titan 2.0, the coldest wallet for your crypto. Okay, so let's begin by unboxing this thing. In the meantime, I'll tell you a few things about it. Also, we'll be setting it up and I'll explain everything in just a moment. But first, let's unbox it. So as you can see right here in the box, we have a few things. Of course, some paper, some screen protector as well, which is great. Yeah, the manual, your seed phrase place to write your seed phrase down, but also Ellipal has this really cool thing which is seed phrase still, and it lets you hold your seed phrase on a still thing. More on the seed phrase later. Now the device, of course. The device is super sleek. You can see this is what it looks like. It has this diamond around the camera because it scans QR codes, and I said it's the coldest wallet ever because it doesn't connect to any USB, nor NFC, nor Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, nothing. It only scans QR codes generated from the app, then generates its own QR codes that is scanned with the app, and that's how you send money. More on that later as well. So this is our device. Now underneath we also get a few things like a charging cable that is USB, but you can't plug it into the device. For that you need to use a stand which physical build just prevents the USB from transferring any data. It's impossible here. You only can charge it, and there's an SD card slot for the updates, but updates are always verified, so also you don't need to worry about it. There's an SD card included. In order to set it up, just turn it on until the Ellipal logo shows up, and we'll be able to begin. And at first you need to select the language, then you can connect to Ellipal mobile app, which I'll do later. Select whether you'd like to create an account, recover via seed phrase, or import your account. Well, let's create it. Now on the seed phrase, as I said, we'll talk about it in just a moment, but now let's set our account name, which is gonna be whatever. If you click on the advanced mode, you can set a passphrase. So if you'd like to use a passphrase, you can use it. But if you're inexperienced, I would recommend at first just using a normal account without a passphrase. If you want to learn more about passphrases, I've made a video about this device and passphrases, how do they work, whether you should get them, so you can watch that. And now let's create our account. Now it tells us to back up our seed phrase. So let's talk about what seed phrase is. Seed phrase is 12 to 24 human readable words that are later translated to binary, and based on that the device calculates private keys. Private keys are always calculated the same way because there's no randomness once you have the randomly generated seed phrase. And that seed phrase is super important because in case anything happens to your device, you can easily recover it on any other cold wallet using your seed phrase. But now, what does that mean? That means that if you lose your seed phrase, not only can you lose the access to your assets, but also if someone finds it, they will be able to access all your money. And that is how crypto wallets work, whether they are cold wallets or any other ones, basically all work like this. So this is super important because this device is made for your security. So you should do everything for your security to keep it on a great level. Now, It is important that you don't take a photo of your seed phrase, so it's not on a device that has or will have internet access. It's also important that you don't do it in a room with cameras. Even if the cameras belong to you, they can be hacked. And make sure that you make it super confidential and that you never lose your seed phrase, because you don't really want to lose your money, do you? Let's select that we know, that we keep in mind that it's important for our safety. Okay, and now I have the 24 words. You will probably see them on the camera. Don't worry, the words that I'm sharing with you, I won't transfer any money to it, so I can't share it with you, but you shouldn't share yours with anyone. Make sure to write it down, preferably on a piece of paper, or as I said, you can get Ellipal seed phrase steel, and then make sure to hide it somewhere. But before that, click on next and confirm that you really know your seed phrase. It'll ask you for 6 words to put them in the correct order, 6 of the 24 words generated, and then click on verify seed phrase. After verifying your seed phrase, click on verify seed phrase, of course, and now you can select the coins that you'd like to use on your account, click on OK, and you can connect it with the app if you haven't done that yet. So I'll do it quickly. I'll just get to my phone, get to Ellipal app, and in Ellipal app select QR code scanning on the Ellipal Titan. Click on link in the top right corner and start scanning all the QR codes. Depending on how many coins you have selected, the more QR codes there may be. In my case, it's 23. And that is basically done. So it was super simple to add it. And now if you'd like to make a transaction, you just need to click on send in the app, then select the asset that you'd like to send, enter the recipient's address, the amount, everything, and then you'll need to click on sign here, scan it, enter your password, scan a QR code displayed on your phone, then use your phone to scan a QR code processed by the Ellipal. It's just calculated with all the private keys, and that's how you send money. As simple as it is, and the most secure way for your crypto. Also, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, tell me what do you think about this device. Feel free to watch more videos on the channel about the Ellipal devices like Ellipal X card or Ellipal seed phrase steel. And I'll see you in the next one.